name's Wiley Sanders. I work for Turnitin.com in Oakland, California. The thing that's valuable about vRealize Operations is it gives a central dashboard for evaluating the health of our whole vCenter environment. We also have some Blue Medora plugins that extend that functionality to Cisco, UCS, and NetApp. So I can turn this dashboard over to my boss or to my coworkers or to the whole team, and they can log in and see the clusters at a glance without having to go log in everywhere and grovel for statistics. It's a very stable solution. It's very easy to install too. We installed the appliance. We just installed the appliance, gave it an IP address, fired it up, and we were up and running in a couple hours. I can't really comment on the scalability. We only have a few hundred VMs. We have 2 data centers and 3 vCenter clusters, and it's doing a perfectly good job of monitoring all of that stuff. I haven't called for tech support on this particular product. I do have issues with tech support sometimes asking for the entire download of configurations and logs and things like that when I think I'm calling with a relatively simple question. But it would be nice to have a more efficient way to get your ticket started towards escalation. A common problem with a lot of vendors. The initial setup of operations was very simple. All I had to do was fire up the appliance and then give it the credentials of our stuff. We have an Enterprise Plus license. So there's a long list of stuff that you get with the Enterprise Plus license, and I'd like to see a better integration of all the vRealize components. For example, I was trying to give vRealize Orchestrator a call, and I kept looking at the documentation for vRealize Automation, not knowing that they were completely different products. So I installed vRealize Orchestrator. I did an Ask the Expert session. He talked me into installing vRealize Automation. vRealize Operations, it would be nice to have a 10,000-foot view of what vRealize actually means. Well, VMware is vSphere, and VMware, of course, is a foundation technology that's been great for dozens of years. And so what we look for, I think, for the advanced features, like we just adopted vSAN. It was great. I went from 0 to half a petabyte in just a few hours after we got the servers set up. I think we look for advice on more advanced products that are not the base vSphere by looking to our integrators and our VARs for help, and they're very effective at providing us information that we need. Well, I'd give it an 8 so far. Because it does exactly what it's supposed to do. It gives all your coworkers and all your management and all your users a dashboard that gives the current state of the entire vSphere ecosystem, which is very nice to have.